Hey, TC, how are you? This is Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I spoke with Michael at your office earlier today. He said that you would be the one that would watch this video. I'm making you a quick video about 3 tips and tricks about to improve your online presence and at the end of the day get more customers. So, without further ado, I want to just jump right in. I want to respect your time. If you know nothing else, feel free to use these tips for yourself. If you would like to chat some more, I'd like to do that as well. If nothing else, if you can just leave me some feedback, either an email or comment on this video, I'd appreciate that. So, without further ado, I want to cover 3 things today. I want to talk about content, I want to talk about citations, and number 3, I want to talk about backlinks. One or all those things may sound like a foreign language, but I'll just try to explain that and kind of show you some tips and tricks. So, number 1, content. So when looking for your website online, I couldn't find anything. I'm not sure if you have one. I don't think you do because I couldn't find it. But that's okay. And basically, this is what's coming up when I type in GarrettTreeService.com. So I just wanted to let you know that number 1 is content. Content is all about your website, and a pretty nice website is nothing if it's not bringing you customers. So we focus on getting the right content with the right keywords that people are searching, so they can find you when they need tree service in Cypress or Spring or Tomball or Woodlands or anywhere around you, that you're going to come up and you're going to be on that on that first page and top of mind, so people can hire you. So that's content. You want to have just a rule of thumb. Google wants at least 1,500 words on their website. The reason being is their robots are constantly scrolling websites to see who has good information for their customers, because Google's customers are the people that are searching. So that is what content is all about. Number 2, I want to talk about citations. So when we talk about Google, right, we talk about buyer intent keywords, and a buyer intent keyword is somebody that types in tree removal Tomball, Texas, right? That's buyer intent. That means they live in or around Tomball and they're looking to get a tree removed, right? So that's a great buyer intent keyword for your area. First thing they're going to see, obviously, are ads. Ads are fine. We do plenty of really good Google ad campaigns. But what we really focus on are the organic results, and we want you to show up in this top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Now, I know you're based in Cypress, and you are doing a good job of getting in this top 3 in Cypress for a couple different keywords that I checked. So I'll be perfectly honest. If you just want business in Cypress and aren't looking to expand or get customers outside of Cypress, you're good. I would just keep doing what you're doing. I would put a website up. I think it's very important to have a website, and it does power these Google Map Packs. So the longer you don't have a website, the more it's going to hurt your Google Map Pack presence. And this is the Google Map Pack right here. These 3 businesses, as I'm sure you know, are getting a ton of business because they're first and foremost. They're right up front. So the way number 2 thing that I was talking about, citation. All a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on the web. Okay, so all those directories, the obvious ones like Facebook, Angie's, Home Advisor, you want to be in all those. But what we do is we go in and see, okay, what these 3 businesses that are showing up first, what citations are they signed up for? And we go ahead and get you signed up for those citations. And then next we double down and get you as many more citations than these competitors as we can, because again, that's what the Google bots, if you will, are scrolling to see who's most relevant in the marketplace, and that's what those citations do. So number 3, I wanted to show you backlinks, and I know you don't have a website. Backlinks is all about powering your website and keywords, right? So what I did, okay, actually let me backtrack. So the next thing folks do is they're going to scroll down and see, okay, what local businesses are on this first page. First one that pops up for tree removal Tomball TX is Olvera Lone Star Tree Service. Okay, so I punch them into my software. This is a software that I pay $400 to $500 a month for, but what it allows me to do is put a website in and see, what's working, what's not, and why that is. So right here, you see this number, 199 backlinks. All a backlink is your website URL. So in this case, alveralonestartrees.com, and it's linked from other websites across the web. And so that's what a backlink is. You don't have to have a ton of backlinks. What you have to have are powerful backlinks. So we would make sure that you're showing up on other tree websites, your URL, and again, that's going to push power to your keywords. Keywords being, in this instance, tree removal Tomball, Texas. So that explains that a little bit more. Just so I can kind of show you what that's bringing Alvera Lone Star Tree Service. So when we punch in, these are the organic keywords that they're ranking for on Google. So when we punch into here, what I just wanted to show you real quick and explain, okay, so here is Tree Service Tomball, right? Now, that's not a highly searched word, but it is bringing them business. So 40 searches per month for Tree Service Tomball. They're getting 6 leads out of that. So those are probably 6 paying customers right there. Why is that? They're ranked on the first page of Google for that word. Okay, Tomball Tree Services, same thing, 40. So you get the picture. That's kind of what a buyer intent keyword, having it ranked on that first page, is going to bring you in terms of business. People are going to see you and they're going to click and they're going to hire you. So that's a brief description of kind of what we do and how, I feel like we could bring you a lot more customers. Would love to talk to you more about your business and find out a little bit more about, how you guys are growing and what your goals are for the future. But like I said, if nothing else, please leave me a comment. Let me know how you like the video, and I hope to talk to you soon. All right, thanks so much, TC. Have a great one.